Hum, feels the silence of the deep mountains. Hears the sounds of abundance in the golden fields and the new dreams of a blue sea stretch and awaken. They live and breathe forever in our hearts. We praise nature. Tree of stillness stands atop the mountain. Birds sing beyond the towering mountain ranges. Blue dreams fill the secluded mountain huts with vitality in their golden lit hills. The mountain rabbits frolic. We praise nature. This path we walk is the story of love from heaven and earth. The song of love from heaven and earth. Every moment is a marvel, intertwined from different places into one. We praise nature. In the fields the way is of gold, softly sing the song of the harvest. The songs of wild birds I feel it love. A pine tree flies into the deep valley. Under the blue sky, it sings of freedom to its heart content. Oh, and we praise nature. This path we walk is the story of love from heaven and earth. A song of love from heaven and earth. Every moment is a marvel, intertwined from different places into one. Who loves one feels the silence of the mountains. Hears the sounds of abundance in the golden fields. The dreams of the blue sea stir